MCS News. This year, the TYs are submitting 8 research projects into competitions, 5 for BT Young Scientist, 1 for the John Hooper competition and 1 for Eco UNESCO. This morning, I am joined by 2 of these teams to tell us about their projects.
I'm here now this morning with Katie O'Sullivan and Ellie McSweeney, who are going to tell us a small bit about their BT project. So firstly, girls, what's the title of your project?
Our project is called Is Ireland's Eradication Programme for Bovine TB Effective?
Very good. And what's your project investigating?
We're investigating Ireland's eradication programme for bovine TB. Bovine TB is quite a big disease in Ireland for our cattle, and especially because we really rely on the agricultural sector for a lot of our economy. I think it's really important to investigate all of the trials and tribulations of the sector.
And that's really the main reason why you chose this particular project, is it?
Yeah.
Very good. So how are you approaching the research towards your project?
So we're carrying out surveys, and we are hoping to get about 1,000 in total, and we're sending them to vets and farmers of all ages.
Yeah, and we've been talking to a man called Owen Ryan. He's a senior vet in UCD Large Animal Hospital, and he's also lecturer of veterinary medicine in UCD. So he is really a good man to talk to because you can really tell that he is extremely knowledgeable on bovine TB.
Fantastic. So you strong connections.
Yeah,
really.
it's great to get.
So finally, just how's the research going for you at the minute with the project?
It's actually going really well. We've got a good few answers on our survey, and there's a lot of people. We can really tell how passionate they are about bovine TB and how it's really affecting our local farmers. And I feel that we're actually doing something really good at investigating this because they all seem extremely passionate and interested.
Yeah, we have 100 out of 1,000, so we're fine.
Very good, fantastic. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This morning, I am joined by Chloe Bailey, Sarah O'Keefe and Brianna Gallagher Murphy so that we can talk about their BT project. So girls, what's the title of your project?
The title of our project is Carbon Sequestration in Soils.
Why did you select this particular project?
We were testing different soils and seeing the amount of carbon loss in the soils, and we were also finding the different ways on how to prevent the carbon loss.
How are you approaching this?
We're both doing research looking at what other people have found out and experiments in classrooms burning off carbon in soils.
Can you tell us what your project is investigating?
Well, we're investigating the different types of soils in our country, how much carbon is left in the soils and how we can prevent the carbon loss in the soil.
How is the research going?
It's going pretty well actually. We've conducted all of our experiments and we are now looking at multiple sources for research in how to prevent the loss of carbon and how to prevent global warming. We've also looked a lot into Teagasc, which is a website with information on the different soils in Ireland.
Finally, a very big thanks to both teams for sharing their information with us, and the very best of luck to all of them in their competitions.